Most people get this wrong when choosing an e-commerce platform. They think the best platform is the cheapest one or the one with the most features. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best e-commerce platform is not about features. It is about how fast you can launch, manage, and actually make sales without technical stress. In this video, you will learn the best e-commerce platform for small business in 2026, and a clear comparison between Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, so you can choose the right one confidently. Let's get right into it. First, understand what an e-commerce platform does. It lets you build an online store, list products, accept payments, and manage orders. So when Alex starts selling handmade phone cases, he uses an e-commerce platform to run his entire business online without needing to code everything from scratch. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even though Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix all let you sell online, they are built for very different types of users. But here's the problem most beginners face. They choose a platform based on hype instead of their actual skill level and business goals. Then they get stuck in setup issues and never fully launch their store. Let's break down each platform clearly. First, Shopify. Shopify is the easiest all-in-one e-commerce platform. It handles hosting, security, payments, and design in one place. If John wants to launch a store quickly without technical work, Shopify is usually the fastest option. It is built for beginners and growing businesses. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make with Shopify that ends up increasing their monthly costs without them realizing it. Second, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that turns your website into a store. It is highly customizable and flexible, but it requires more setup. You need hosting, plugins, and basic technical understanding. It is great if you want full control. Third, Wix e-commerce. Wix is very beginner-friendly and combines website building with e-commerce tools. It is simple and visually easy to design, but it is less powerful when scaling compared to Shopify or WooCommerce. Now let's compare them in real terms. Shopify is best for speed and simplicity. WooCommerce is best for control and customization. Wix is best for beginners who want simple design and small stores. Here's a real example. Alex tries WooCommerce first because it is flexible, but he struggles with setup and plugins. Then he switches to Shopify and launches his store in a single day. Sales start coming in faster because he finally focuses on marketing instead of technical issues. So how do you choose the right one? Step 1 is your skill level. If you are a beginner, choose Shopify or Wix. Step 2 is your long-term goal. If you want full control, choose WooCommerce. Step 3 is speed. If you want to launch fast, Shopify wins. So which is the best e-commerce platform in 2026? For most small businesses, Shopify is the best balance of ease, speed, and scalability. WooCommerce is best for advanced users. Wix is best for simple starter stores. To wrap it up, the best e-commerce platform is the one that lets you launch quickly, sell consistently, and grow without technical stress. If this comparison helped you, like the video, leave a comment with your business idea, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you build smarter online businesses.